Welcome! Ladies' Choice and Smart Parenting created these co-creation activities to champion collaborative parenting. Let's get started! Today's activity is making a special macaroni salad. Help your child practice the value of thinking differently and creatively via tasty experiment.
Wow, Mom! What are you making today?
Your favorite? Chicken macaroni salad. We'll cook, chop, and combine!
Yay!
Do you want to help me make macaroni salad extra special?
How, Mom?
If you could add anything from our family's usual macaroni salad, what would it be?
I wonder what we can add.
What kind of flavors do you like?
Salty like potato chips. But I like chewy also, like marshmallows.
Alright, do you want to try adding something salty to our macaroni salad?
Oh yes, salty and crunchy, like bacon?
That's a super cool idea, anak! Will you help mix all the ingredients in?
Sure, Mom. I can wait for everyone to try our super bacony macaroni salad.
That's a fun name, anak! Encouraging your child to think about new ways to approach familiar things helps expand their way of thinking and helps them become more adaptable too. How did this activity make you feel, anak?
Ang sarap pala ng bacon sa chicken macaroni salad, Mom.
That's all, thanks to your creative thinking, nak. High five!
Here come the stars, Mom.
Once we complete 10, we'll become a certified do-it-together mom and kid and get the chance to earn rewards.
Thank you for watching. You can move on to the next activity by clicking on the next video here.